This candle visualization relaxation is a guided imagery exercise in which I'll guide you to imagine relaxing while looking at a candle. You can relax your body and mind by focusing on the candle. To begin the candle visualization relaxation, find a comfortable position. Take note of how your body feels. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, notice where your body feels the most tense. Focus on these areas as you take another breath. Allow the tension to flow away as you breathe out. Inhale as you raise your shoulders. Then relax as you exhale and lower your shoulders into a comfortable position. Continue to breathe smoothly and gently as you continue the candle visualization relaxation. As you rest peacefully, begin to form an image in your mind. Imagine that you are in a safe, comfortable room. The room is pleasantly dark. Imagine the glow of a candle beside you. Keep your attention facing forward as you notice the gentle flickers of warm light on the wall in front of you. See the dancing light from the candle. Feel yourself relaxing as you watch the beautiful patterns made by the light of the candle. You might want to turn to look at the candle. If you wish, turn in your imagination toward the candle. Picture the candle in front of you and see the soft light it creates. Notice the flame gently moving as the candle burns. Imagine what the candle looks like. What shape is it? What color? What size? Create a picture of the candle in your mind. Imagine that the candle gently melts away the stresses and tension you have been holding in your body. As the candle burns, feel the tension easing and relaxation flowing through your body. Notice the wax becoming softer. Feel your body also becoming softer. Notice again the soft flame at the top of the candle. See how it flickers slightly in response to your breath as you exhale. Watch how the flame responds each time you breathe. Now turn your attention back to the wax of the candle. The softening wax is melting, turning to liquid, warm and flowing, free from tension. See the wax of the candle melting, melting the way your tension is melting away. As the melted wax builds, see it slowly overflow and pour down the side of the candle, drop by drop. It feels like any stresses you were holding onto are dripping away with each drop of wax from the candle. The soft flame of relaxation warms you from the inside, melting away all the stress. Watch the wax melting, feeling the same effects on the tension in your body. Melting, relaxing. Continue to observe the burning candle, enjoying the relaxation you are experiencing. When you are ready to finish your relaxation session, take a deep breath and exhale through your mouth, blowing out the candle. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Become more aware of the time and place you are in today. Slowly stretch your muscles and open your eyes, enjoying the feeling of calm and peace that remains with you.